what they were saying shifted from this is about the rules to this is about you being gay.
A private dormitory is accused of discriminating against a gay University of Texas student.
The UT freshman says she's the only one at Scottish Rite Dormitory not allowed to have guests. She tells CBS Austin's Melanie Torre the dorm's rules don't match her punishment, and she still doesn't know what she did wrong.
More than 300 women live at Scottish Rite Dormitory, a private all-female residence just feet from the University of Texas campus. But freshman Kaj Baker says she's the only one not allowed to have any guests over.
For the rest of the year, basically.
Baker says SRD administrators told her other girls complained about her and her girlfriend using the study lounge too much, once falling asleep on the lounge sofas.
The list of complaints weren't us doing anything wrong. We weren't harming anyone, we weren't doing PDA, we weren't breaking any rules, it was us existing.
She says others felt uncomfortable with her girlfriend using the bathroom.
They told me that girls need to feel safe here, and I asked her if we made people feel unsafe, and she said, I'm not going there just yet.
We reached out to the dorm about whether or not residents are treated differently based on sexual orientation. They declined our request for an interview, but said in an email, their focus is on education while meeting our parents' expectation of creating an atmosphere that fosters the growth and well-being of their daughters while attending the university. The dorm contract restricts visiting hours for males, but says female guests are permitted. Overnight, female guests must be registered with the dorm, but Baker says her girlfriend never stayed overnight.
If this guest ban was simply about the rules, then us being gay or me being gay should never have been brought into it at all.
Baker was hesitant to talk with us about the ordeal. While some residents are supporting her, she says she's faced backlash from others in group messaging apps.
I hope you're happy with yourself. Someone was like, you're victimizing yourself, plain and simple.
What she wants now is an apology from SRD and to feel welcome in her own home. Melanie Torre, CBS Austin News.